Hey, what's up guys, it's Foster, and in today's video we're going to be test fitting a bunch of carbon fiber parts we got in from Japan. I've actually got a whole box of goodies here that we're going to try and test fit on the VB WRX. And we're going to see whether or not things fit and how the quality is, and that way we can give you guys a little bit of a behind the scene glimpse into some of our product development. Before we get started, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about this carbon fiber and where it comes from. We've worked with a vendor in Japan for a couple of years now. His name is Hide. He's actually been to SubiSpeed before to do some test fitting on our STI. But since the VB is a new platform, he's done most of his development with a right-hand drive model, which is why we wanted to get his pieces here in person at the shop and test fit them on our car since it's left-hand drive, and we wanted to see if there's any fitment issues. All the stuff that he makes is dry carbon fiber, hand laid, so the quality of this is really top notch. It's not the fiberglass with the carbon overlay, this is the real deal. So when this goes into production, this is gonna be the OLM LE line of carbon fiber, which is their most premium line. Another nice part about this stuff is it's all covers, so installation and removal is really easy and you're not going to cause any damage to your car. So now you guys know a little bit more about this carbon fiber. Let's get it test fitted on the car. Next on my list to install are these carbon fiber fender shrouds. They've also got these fender vents in them as well, so that'll be a nice upgrade. So I'm gonna remove this cheap plastic vent here and we're gonna get this installed and see how it looks. Alright, I got all the test carbon fiber bits installed in the engine bay. As you can see, I got the fender shrouds installed. They look really nice. And I also got the fuse box cover installed. I think that carbon fiber weave looks really nice, and the fender shroud and the fuse box cover match perfectly. I'd like to see some more carbon fiber bits in this engine bay, maybe an alternator cover, maybe a radiator shroud. So if you guys would be interested in parts like that, let me know in the comment section down below. But definitely this has added some nice carbon fiber bling to the engine bay, and I'm super happy with how these parts fit as well. I'm gonna interrupt this video to make a quick special announcement. On Saturday, September 3rd, SubiSpeed is actually hosting our own event at the Pittsburgh International Race Complex. It's called the Flat 4 Throwdown, and it's kind of a big deal. We've even made our own website for this event. So if you guys live on the East Coast or really anywhere, you can come sign up as a driver or an attendee, and we've got time attack, we've got drag race, and we've got a car show. And if that's not enough to entice you, we're also giving away some cash prizes too for the winners. You can win $5,000 for the time attack event, you can win $750 for the drag race, and $750 for the car show. So you guys should definitely come check out this event, and you can come say hi to me too. I'm gonna be there at this event, and it's gonna be a really good time, so I hope to see you guys out there. Hopping inside the interior, I'm excited to add some carbon fiber trim because there's not a lot to look at the moment. It's pretty bare bones, so I think adding some carbon fiber will be a nice touch. Before we get started though, I am going to use these cleaning wipes and this primer wipe to get all the grime and dirt off of this plastic trim before we install our brand new carbon fiber cover. Alright, before we 3M everything on, I just want to do a quick test fit of these pieces. So this is the lower trim piece here. It covers up that fake carbon fiber, which is really nice. And then this piece goes on the left of the controls. From what I can see, that looks like that fits pretty well. Obviously, it'll fit better with the 3M. And then this piece here goes on the right side of the steering wheel. And one thing I just noticed actually is that it's got a hole for a button that our steering wheel doesn't have. I believe that's a feature that's only on the GT models. They've got a mode to shift your drive mode and another button as well. And since our base does not have that, I'm not sure if I want to fully install these carbon fiber steering wheel trim pieces quite yet, so that's definitely good that we test fitted these pieces. We'll have to see if they can make a version that just deletes that button. Up next, I've got these carbon fiber door card trims to install, and we had these for the previous generation before, and I really liked how they looked on the VAs, so I'm curious to see how they look on the new car. It seems like the fitment of these is actually really good. One thing I immediately noticed though is this fake carbon fiber vinyl that Subaru installed doesn't look so nice with the actual carbon fiber weaves. So if I were to really install these on the car, I'd want to put some vinyl over this or see if I could remove it. But overall, I'm really happy with how this front looks. So I have one for the back too, so let's install that and see how it looks. Okay, I got the rear carbon fiber door card trim installed, and it looks really nice and the fitment is spot on. Not too surprised because that's what the OLM LE line of carbon fiber products is known for, having excellent fitment and excellent qualities. So this is how the rear looks, and then this is how the front looks. Let me know in the comment section down below, are these something that you guys are interested in? And if so, are you interested in buying the front and the rear as a set, or would you want to buy them individually? I'm curious to know what you guys think about these carbon fiber trims. The last OLM product I need to test fit today are these carbon fiber rear door sill covers. Basically, the idea is it covers up some of the textured plastic that you have getting in and out of your car, and it gives your car a lot more of a premium field set. It's a nice way to tie in the carbon fiber too if you got the carbon fiber door card accents. And we do have a set coming for the front, but unfortunately they're not here yet today. So for right now, I'll get the 3M off of this, we'll get it installed, and we'll see how it looks. I almost forgot, I've got these OLM rain guards that I want to test fit on the VB WRX today. So I've got some rain guards for the front and the rear, so let's get them on the car and see how they look and see how the fitment is. I hope you guys liked watching me test fit some parts on the WRX today. As you can see, there's a ton of cool products coming out for the new platform. It just takes a little bit of time because we have to do our quality control, so hopefully it won't take too long and you'll see those on our website. Also, if you guys are excited about carbon fiber goodies, I do have some OLM S-Line switch panel covers for the 2018 to 2021 WRX and STI. Unfortunately, there's just the fronts, but if you guys are interested in this giveaway, all you have to do is like this video and comment down below and let me know what your favorite carbon fiber part was that you saw in this video, and the winner will randomly be announced in one of our upcoming YouTube videos. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.